When you apply the ArcGIS platform to tracking and traceability, your as-built workflow gets simplified. In the field, your workers, whether contractors or employees, are able to quickly identify assets based off the ASTM barcode scan instantaneously and determine what asset it is and if it meets your business rules. This instant validation helps the field, especially when disconnected, but also gives the office real-time information during the project. When you combine high-accuracy GPS with the ASTM barcode, you have instant access to the component, lot code, production date, material type, and sizing information. Let's head to the field and see this in action. All right, so now that we're in the field, let's take a look at my work list for today. I see that I have several new construction projects due, so let's go ahead and dive into the first one. It appears that there's a new service line request here. Let's go ahead and tell the office that I'm starting this project, and let's drive over to the project site. Now that I'm at the project site, I could zoom in and see that this is the house that needs to be connected. Let's go ahead and tap the plus sign here on the right-hand side and search for a T to add to the main. As I pan through all the different assets are available to me, I find my T, tap on it, and fill out some information about that T, such as today's date for the installation date, and then service date is due next Friday. Once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and scan our ASTM barcode. And we will go ahead and add it to the line. Once I submit that to the database, instantaneously, all that valuable ASTM information has been populated to the left here. I see the manufacturer of the T, the lot number, manufacturer date, material, the model, diameter. In addition to that great ASTM data, I also see validation and business rules that we've set aside, such as material shelf life, is this approved manufacturer, and does it meet our corporate standard compliance? It appears that it's passed every single level. Further down, I see GPS metadata. If I was connected to a high accuracy GPS unit, not only will I get the receiver name that I used, but I'll also get all that valuable GPS meta information. So now let's add a service pipe. I'll go ahead and tap the blue plus here, and I could still pan through all the assets available to me, or I could come up to here on filter and type in service. Immediately I'll select the service pipe here, and we're going to go ahead and add a point and snap it to the line. I will walk down collecting valuable GPS information, adding vertices when the line changes, such as this 90-degree turn here. Once we get to the meter, we'll go ahead and put our last point, and then we'll come over to the table here and add an install date of today, in-service date of next Friday, and I'll come to the barcode, select the barcode, and scan my ASTM barcode. Once I'm done, I will submit that to the database, and once again, that same manufacturer information is populated for me on the fly, from the manufacturer name to lot number, manufacturer date, pipe grade, the diameter. Below the ASTM data, I see my validation rules, and it appears that this actual pipe has expired. So if I was a contractor, instantaneously, I would know that this pipe is no longer valid and does not meet the company's rules. We will need to replace it with newer pipe. So once we've completed our service, let's go ahead and go back to our work list, finish the project, and that will send the office a notification that the project has been completed. We can now continue on our work list for other as-builts that we need to build. To recap, no matter the area, descrambling the ASTM barcode can be done instantly in a disconnected environment. In real time, your field personnel will get instant validation, whether or not this asset meets your business rules, such as shelf life or is it approved manufacturer. Our configurable approach allows for greater opportunity to expand upon, such as validating OQ qualifications or weld information. The instant validation allows users to verify assets no matter where they are. If your contractor wanted to see if his or her supply is still compliant at the truck or as it's being laid in the trench, real-time validations with your business rules allows them to do that on the fly.